नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. आता आपण नेचर ऑफ रूट्स इक्वेशन x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square 4ac divided by 2a are the roots of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square 4ac means 0 divided by 2a. X is equal to minus b plus 0 divided by 2a, or x is equal to minus b divided by 2a. The roots of quadratic equations are real and equal. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots of quadratic equations are real and equal. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, greater than 0, then root of quadratic equations are real and unequal. इथे एवढंच लक्षात घ्या, बी स्क्वेअर मायनस 4ac ची व्हॅल्यू जर 0 आली तर रूट्स ऑफ क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन रियल अँड इक्वल. And b square minus 4ac value greater than 0 means positive value, then roots of quadratic equation are real and unequal. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0 means b square minus 4ac value is negative, then the roots of a quadratic equation are not real. If b square minus 4ac less than 0 means value of b square minus 4ac less than 0 means value of b square minus 4ac is negative, then the roots of quadratic equation are not real. If alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic equation, x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Alpha is equal to minus b plus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and beta is equal to minus b minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Alpha plus beta means minus b divided by a. Alpha into beta, c divided by a. The quadratic equation whose roots are alpha and beta is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to. Question number 2. Find the value of discriminant. Example number 1. X square plus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0. Solution. X square plus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Comparing ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. X square, value of a is 1, value of b is 7, and value of c is minus 1. Find the value of discriminant. Discriminant means value of b square for ac is called discriminant. Value of d, del is equal to b square minus 4ac. Discriminant del is equal to b square minus 4ac. Value of b square 4ac is called discriminant. It is denoted by del. Value of b is 7 square minus 4 into a is 1 into c is minus 1. Means 7 square 49 minus plus 4 into 1 means 4. Means del is equal to 49 plus 4 means 53. Value of discriminant del is equal to 53. अशा प्रकारच्या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये ax square plus bx plus c compare करा, value a, b and c. Put the value b square minus 4ac and find the del. Example number 2, 2y square minus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Value of a is 2. Value of b is minus 5 and value of c is 10. Del is equal to, value of discriminant means del is equal to b square minus 4ac. Put value b is equal to minus 5 square minus 4 into value of a is 2 into c is equal to 10. Means minus 5 square 25 minus 4 into 2 means 8. 8 into 10 means 80 is equal to del. 10 subtract 5 means 5. Take carry 1 means minus 55. Del, value of del is equal to minus 55. Value of del. Example number 3. Square root 2x square plus 4x plus 2 into square root 2 is equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Value of a is square root 2. Value of b is equal to 4. Value of c is equal to 2 into square root 2. Del is equal to b square minus 4ac. Means del is equal to b square means 4 square minus 4 into a means square root 2 into c means 2 into square root 2. Means del is equal to 4 square 16. 4 into 2 means 8 into square root 2 into square root 2 means 2. Value of square root 2 into square root 2 is equal to 2. 8 into 2 means 16. Del is equal to 16 minus 16 means del is equal to 0. Value of discriminant is equal to 0. Discriminant is equal to 0. Discriminant is equal to. Question number 3. Determine the nature of roots of following quadratic equation. X square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. अशा प्रकारच्या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये कंपेअर करा. फाइंड द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ एबीसी. व्हॅल्यू ऑफ ए इज इक्वल टू 1. Value of b is equal to minus 4 and value of c is equal to plus 4. b square minus 4ac is equal to, b means minus 4, b square means minus 4 square minus 4 into value of a is equal to 1 into value of c is 4. Means minus 4 square 16 minus 4 into 4 means minus 16. 16 minus 16 means 0. b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 means root of equation are real and equal. Roots of equation are real and equal. If value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then roots of equation are real and equal. जेव्हा b square minus 4ac value 0 येईल त्यावेळेस रूट रियल अँड इक्वल असेल. Example number 2. 2y square minus 7y plus 2 is equal to 0. Comparing ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Value of a is 2, a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to 2. Find the value of b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. Value of b is minus 7 square minus 4 into value of a is 2 into value of c is 2 means minus 7 square 49 minus 4 into 2 means 8 into 2 means 16 means 7 square 49 4 into 2 means 8 into 2 means 16. 9 subtract 6 means 3. 4 subtract 1 means 3. b square minus 4ac is equal to 33 means value of b square minus 4ac is positive means greater than 0. Roots of equation are real and unequal. Real and unequal. If value of b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then roots of equation are real and unequal. जेव्हा b square 4ac ची व्हॅल्यू 0 पेक्षा मोठी असेल म्हणजे पॉझिटिव्ह व्हॅल्यू येईल त्यावेळेस रूट रियल अँड अनइक्वल असेल. एक्झाम्पल नंबर 3. m square plus 2m plus 9 is equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Value of a is 1, value of b is 2 and value of c is 9. Find the value of b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac is equal to value of b is 2 square minus 4 into value of a means 1 into c means 9. 2 square 4 minus 9 into 4 means 36. 36 into 1 means 36. Subtraction is 36 minus 4 means minus 22. Minus 36 subtract 4 means 32. Greater number is 36. Value is sign is negative means minus 32. b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 32 means b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Value of b square minus 4ac is a negative sign means less than 0. The roots of the equation are not real. If value of b square minus 4ac less than 0, the roots of equation are not real. In this way,